my restoration vlog, my Acura Integra. It's my favorite car, love it to death. But she looked like shit. Florida sun's beast. Car looked good when I put it here, and the sun just ate it up. It's been sitting almost 2 years, so the sun ate it all up. Had the hood redone. This feels like like cancer. It's just bumpy and rocky. Shit feels like shit. So I've been wet sanding everything, that way I can get the wrap put on. Hopefully I'll be done tomorrow. You see it really tore it up here. I pulled the wing off. It's probably not going back on. Got some body work I gotta do right here. This side already started wet sanding, so I got all that smooth. All this up here already done. I still gotta do this part, but already did all that. All this. Still have to do this part, and I started messing with the hood, trying to see how much I gotta take it down. It's feeling pretty good. So I think I'll be straight. It's gonna take a little time. So yeah, I'm excited about this. I love this fucking car. I love everything on this car. It's always been like one of my favorite cars. So yeah, man, let's go. Techie time. Day 2, working on my painting. Ain't even day 2, it's actually day 3. She's still standing there, getting it ready. Getting the hood pretty good. It's actually pretty smooth. Where I had them redo it and put that old clear coat over is what I'm actually having to pull up. That's mostly what you're seeing here. This one does have cracks under it, but it's more fine and you can't feel it. It's smooth, so that way when I put the wrap over it, everything will still be smooth and you won't see it at all. So I'm pretty much done with this half. I just gotta get this little around the edge here, a little bit here and here. And I think up in this corner, yeah, I can feel that there, this corner here, and I'll be done. Then I gotta get over to this ugliness. You can see all that shit. All that's coming up. Look at that. This shit is just flaking up. It's trash. But last time I had this car painted was years ago, so. This side of the car is actually not that bad. It only has that cancer here on the hood. And the mirror, it's nothing really on the door, except for a little bit on the door handle. And this here. Got some issue going on here, so I'm gonna have to sand all that down. Probably glass that, and I got some rust going on back here. That's just stupid, so I'm gonna have to cut that out and glass that. So when I wrap everything but this piece right here. I'll do that last, and then I'll do the body work. I hate doing body work. But yeah, I'm trying to hopefully, still early, but I'm hoping, I already got that fender done. Front bumper I had painted recently, so I don't even have to do it, I just have to clean it. And I get that fender done. I hope I can at least get the whole front of the car wrapped. Is my goal. So I don't know, man. She's gonna be sexy when she's done. I plan on, once I get the outside done, then I'm going inside, pull the seats out and everything, because she looks rough. But I got the bride seats in there, but they're faded as shit. So I might get another set if I can't do anything to bring these back. Oh damn, my car's locked up. I think the alarm's on. But yeah. See, she got the bride seats in there and shit. Got the red carpet, but it's sun that ate it up. So I'm gonna get her back though, fresh. So yeah, let me get on this thing, get her all sanded down, and start getting her wrapped. I need to order the new wing I'm putting on it too. Let's go. See, if you look at it, you can see the spots right here where it looks clean. This is where I took off all the old clear coat. And then you see these hazy spots, and that's where I could feel the roughness. That's where the old clear coat that they put on top of that. This is the original. And obviously they didn't get that low into it, but the cracks are pretty deep. Like I said, I'm wrapping it so you're not gonna see. So I'm basically sanding off the clear coat that they put on it. So I still have a little bit, you see, around the edges and whatnot. That's the old clear coat. But everything that was clean and shiny, that's where I completely took it off. So I don't have that much left on this side of the hood, but this one, I got some work. But this shit's pretty bad. So you see where most of that shit came off already. is just flaking up. So hopefully I get done with this hood, because that's the worst part of it. So once I get done with the hood, it's gonna be a wrap for the wrap. About that downshift come over here and come help me. Matter of fact, I'm about to go call his ass right now. But yo, I'm excited, man. It has been a while since I've been excited about a build. And later on, man, I'm gonna tell you about my 383 stroker build I got planned for the RX-8. I got some crazy shit planned in my head. So yeah. Well, let me go hit up downshift, man, and get back at it. I'll catch y'all back up here in a little bit. Started on this wrap. Fender came out not too bad, but I'm gonna have to re-wrap this door. Man, the fucking bottom of that shit is not sticking. Just some trash. But that's probably my fault for getting some cheap ass wrap. But next time I'll get something better. But yeah, I think I'll have to re-wrap that, but that'll look good when it's done. Probably gonna have to end up ordering some more time I'm fucking done. Whatever. A restoration vlog video. This is my first time wrapping this shit. It's actually coming out pretty freaking good. I'm like really shocked right now. Really shocked. But I'm gonna wait to do the front bumper and the hood lights. I'm probably gonna do those in some pieces. I got some knifeless tape coming, so I could do that and finish up the body work on this finish. Pretty much finished up. I gotta clean that, and I got a little more to do on the door, at the bottom of the door and the handle, and then I'm gonna wrap that door. Then probably the hood, the roof, the bumper, and this piece. I gotta wait, because this shit got fucking rust right here, so I gotta do some body work here, get that trash out of there, and build it back up, and then I can wrap this piece, which is easy as shit. It's just fucking square piece pretty much. So I think I might tackle this back bumper today, the back bumper and that back piece, get that fender and that part and get that done. I think that'll be pretty dope. At least from the side, it'll look mostly done, but you see, that's basically how she was looking before. And then you got that new over here. This shit's crazy. I really like the blue. Really, especially when that hood's done in the front bumper. That's gonna look crazy. Fuck ass cops being nosy. He's over there checking my shit out. Alright, this is where I left off, but it's been raining all week, so I had a chance to work on it. I tried to attempt to wrap the front of it, and yeah, I messed that shit up, so I had to pull it off and redo it. Might have to get some help on that, because like I said, it's my first time, but I got the hood done. It looks pretty good. Got this fender done, but I still got to do this whole side. I still got to do that body work on the quarter panel and the hatch. But we'll get the back bumper, the door, and the roof done. So it looks pretty good. I'll be sleeping on how good it looks. Shit looks pretty dope. And here we got the Mexican jams pumping. Shit looks good though. I'll get back on it next week though. It's gonna look good as fuck when it's done.